Hey, North Laurel homeowners. If you're in the market for home comfort upgrade, before you're quick to replace your HVAC or your windows, you need to get your insulation checked. Not only the attic, not only crawl spaces, basements, but also, as you can see behind me, even your HVAC insulation might be the problem before you need to spend huge amounts of money. The reason these comfort and efficiency problems go unsolved for so long is because they're hiding in parts of your home that most people avoid. The attic, the crawl space, even basements. But those areas are exactly where I go during your inspection. So you schedule your energy audit, I come out, I get into the places that nobody else wants to go, I uncover what's really going on. Airflow, drafts, windows, gaps, missing insulation, and I'm going to show you exactly what needs to be done. So here's the process. Step 1, schedule your energy audit online. Step 2, let's meet. I'll complete the inspection and I'll build out your custom plan. Step 3, you decide what you want to move forward with. Step 4, we measure the results and you feel real improvement. So, if you want a fix that actually works and doesn't break the bank, go to my website, homeairleakagetest.com, look for the Book Audit Now button, sign up for the first available date that works for you, and I'll do the dirty work and show you exactly what is really happening inside of your house.